Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Scotia Group Jamaica registered a marginal decline in profit in its first quarter ended January. For the 3-month period, the financial institution made $3.13 billion after meeting tax obligations. For the same period last year, Scotia made $3.37 billion. The group's total revenues, excluding expected credit losses for the January to March quarter, grew by $1.2 billion, reaching $14.9 billion. This was primarily driven by an increase in net interest income of $1.8 billion. It stemmed from growth in the company's loan portfolio and higher gains on foreign currency activities. However, there was a 2.5% decrease in net insurance revenue, reaching $524 million, down from $537.5 million last year. Trinidad and Tobago-based A.S. Bryden & Sons Holdings has acquired a 55% controlling stake in Stansfeld Scott Barbados Limited. SSB is a leading distributor and retailer of wines, spirits, and consumer health products in Barbados. SSB's products include Eldorado and Plantation Rums, Banrock Station, and La Motte Parot wines. The transaction will allow A.S. Bryden, which is controlled by Seprod here in Jamaica, to expand its premium beverage business outside of Trinidad for the first time. Trading ended today with banks and cambios selling the US dollar for an average $155.98. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $115.84. The pound is going for $200.75, while the euro is selling for an average $169.32. And to the stock market now, the JSE index lost 5,393 points today, while the junior market index increased by 2 points. Among the 47 winners, MPC Caribbean Clean Energy, Proven Group, JMMB Group 7.15%, CR Redeemable Preference Shares, Pulse Investments, and Cargo Handlers. The 44 losers were led by Wigton Wind Farm, Blue Power Group, Supreme Ventures, ISP Finance Services, and Sagicor Select Funds Financial. 19 stocks closed the session selling at the same price they started trading on Thursday. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Good evening.